take a look at gold and silver. That rally, which has been a red-hot rally, is losing a little bit of steam, with prices dropping as much as 3% in Monday's session. What are the triggers for this pullback, and can prices be clawed back, or can they be heading higher? Shreyansi joining you with more details. Shreyansi?
Well, absolutely, Alex. And red hot rally is just about right. Seems to be screeching to a halt, though, because when you take a look at the move yesterday for gold, you do have that 3.2% decline, 3.7% when we're talking about silver as of yesterday's move. And when you take a look at last week's move as well, for gold, you do have negative weekly close coming in for the first time in 10 trading weeks. Other than that, largest single day decline is also something that we saw since 2013 coming in on October 21st. And since we're talking about October 21st, let's also take a look at silver as well, because fell 8.7% in a single day, which is also the steepest drop coming in since February 2021. Seems to be a little bit of a continuation of that move that we've seen on Monday now. And when you take a look at the move from the all-time high for gold and silver, gold has pulled back about 9% from the all-time high, 13.8% when we're talking about silver as well. And in terms of why this cool-off is happening at this point in time, renewed optimism around US-China trade talks is the first thing that makes it to our list. And that is, of course, going to be a very key meeting that we're going to be watching out for. And that is something that investors are also taking note of, other than profit booking, of course. And other than that, when you take a look at the gold and price silver price tracker as well, you're looking at 50.2% and 58.18% when it comes to gold and silver. So silver is no longer playing second fiddle to gold. And that's the key takeaway there. Gold is still set for the best year since 1979. And the reason why we're discussing this is because brokerage verdict seems to be a little mixed at this point in time. Citi is the one that is penciling in a little bit of a pullback. But despite that, you do have brokerages remaining quite bullish.
Okay, thank you for that, Shreyansi. So gold, we'll have to wait and see whether it pulls back. Even with the pullback, I mean, compared to the rise, it's a teeny bit.
50-55% higher.
Yeah, at least 50% at least, even if you've pulled back about, I don't know, 6-7% so far, under the $4,000 mark at this point. Anyway, gold has lost its shine, markets have lost its sheen just a little bit. MCX trading has still not started. That's where we're signing off.